So karon naton challenge mo na sa disiya ang Tagalog i-translate sa English.
Tagalog, English.
Ah.
Ma'am, pili premium na, ma'am.
Oh, ang premium ni premium na mo tanan tatay episode 5,000 pesos.
Ay, sa day, ma'am. Ato sa shout out atong mga gwapa nga mga followers, ma'am. Diya sa Banongs Minimart, ma'am. Si Eleni Gwapa o si Mia Mulihon from Banongs Minimart.
Oh, dapat sa kayo pa shout out ma'am. Manila Boys. Shout out na ko tanan taga Manila Boys ha. Wala ko kailan ninyo si Rodel ang nagdas yung mga kaubanan. Solid supporter gyapon nato ma'am.
Ma'am, kanang concern gamay ba?
Oh.
Ang uban, ma'am, hapit na abli klase kita ko yung grocery.
Ha?
Sunod buwan, mag-abli ng klase, kita ko paita ng klase.
Wala tay.
Sa premium.
Oh.
Sabi ni,
Oh.
long ako na ni, nang lifetime na niya to ang
Oh, lifetime na ning klase na to. Wala tay closingay. Wala tay undangay ane. Ha?
Sige, basta makakwarta may
Moondang ra taog. Mabright si Ernesto.
Basta na lang si Sir Toby, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am.
Ma'am Camila closing, siguro imo mga amungan sa utok ni Rito noon, yapag naman siguro ni.
Oh, okay, classmate na no ni Ernesto. Lisod sa kayo si Ernesto ra akong klasihan. Dapat naasad poy. Kauban si Ernesto.
Among na mo ra. Ako yun abi.
Oh, okay, una tatay episode.
Muna tong paninguha para
may
mabray.
wagi mo maupaw mo.
Oh, okay. Una tatay episode last Ernesto sa muka.
Yes ma'am.
Oh, tay, imo tay. I-translate sa English ang pumunta ako doon nang dahil sa'yo.
Pumunta ako doon nang dahil sa iyo.
Oh.
Pumunta ako doon nang dahil sa iyo. Pumunta ako doon nang dahil sa iyo. Tanawa na ni Ron, nakod na ning animal. Pumunta ako doon
Nang dahil sa'yo. Oh.
I'm una, ma'am.
Ha?
I'm una.
Okay, tagatog klo. Ay, una.
Oh. I going there for you.
Wrong.
Neither.
Usa.
Neither.
Oh, neither. Ang ikatulong nga word. I blank there.
Tulo lagi. I going there. Ikatulo kita na nga word.
Wrong. Ang going.
I go there.
Wrong yapon. Duha. Last.
For you ang last.
Dili. You. Ang last. Dili for. You.
5. You.
Ha?
I came there
Ungo.
because of you.
I came there because of you.
Oh.
Wrong.
I come there.
Wrong yapon. Gamay na lang. Usa na lang ka word ang kuwang.
I go there because of you.
Wrong. Usa. I blank there because of you. Oh. I blank there because of you. Oh. Ang sumpay na lang sa I. Ang sunod sa I. Pumunta ako doon nang dahil sa'yo.
I can
Tell by your eyes.
I can't tell by your I can't go because of you.
Wrong!
I
Duha!
can't.
Ay, pumunta ko doon.
I blank there because of you.
I'll be there because of you.
Wrong! Tolo! Next na tagsok. Pumunta ako doon nang dahil sa'yo. I blank there because of you. Oh.
Ay. Sayop tunggo no.
Wrong ang go. Wrong ang going. Wrong ang can.
Ang came day.
I
Wrong ang
come.
came.
I come. Because sa ito kasi sumpay.
I blank there because of you.
I come there because of you.
Wrong! Usa.
I back there because of you.
Duha. Duha. Pumunta ako doon nang dahil sa'yo. I blank there because of you. Duha na.
Sususan lang kiro.
I let go, ma'am, because of you.
Ha?
I let go
Wala
because
usa. What biglang words nga usa kay ka words ko.
I went there because of you.
I here because of you.
Wrong! Talo! Next, Ernesto. Pumunta ako doon nang dahil sa'yo.
I went girl.
Ha?
I went girl.
Kasi I went girl.
I went big.
There.
I
I went
there because of you.
I went there because of you.
Correct! 5,000! Oh, kamantays na daw tugso. I went there because of you.
Ay, win.
I went.
Bugo na nakansel.
Oh, next. Oh. Na bright, nagsugod. Malipay mo na.
Pasar ta, meron sa.
Oh. Next, tatay busot.
Kamo na kami siya nabugo.
Oh, okay. Pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan. Oh. Mao ra gyapon ang
I
intro.
went there.
Oh.
Sakto na, I went there.
Oh, sakto.
I went there.
Nang walang dahilan.
I went there. I went there. I went there of no reason.
Wrong ang of usa.
Nya reason.
Oh, I went there blank no reason. Oh.
I went there. Unsa ti pangutana?
Pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan.
I went
I
there.
went there blank no reason.
I went
sana lang
there.
pod.
I went there.
No reason. Blank, no reason.
Oh, of to say to of.
Oh, wrong. Usa.
I went there. I went there. Ako may magsigsugod. Ano yung lahat? May tigarbis. I went there.
Oh, yeah, abs, yun.
I went there.
Blank no reason. Mm.
Pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan.
Mm.
I went there. No blank, no reason. I went there. I went the pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan.
Mm.
I went there that no reason.
Duha. Last.
I went there there's no reason.
Tolo. Ali mo koy.
I went there with no reason.
Usa.
I went there.
Pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan. I went there.
Have no reason.
Duha.
I went there.
Blank no reason.
I went there. Blank no reason.
Ah.
I went there. Are no reason.
Tolo. Tatagso.
Went there.
Pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan. I went there blank no reason.
I went there.
Are no
Blank,
reason.
no reason.
Mm.
I went there.
Are no reason.
Not no reason.
Osa.
Walang dahilan. Walang dahilan.
Mm.
And I went there here, no reason.
Duha. Pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan. I went there blank no reason.
Without no reason.
I went there
Without.
out, no reason.
Tolo! Ernesto! Pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan. I went there blank no reason. Ah.
I went there without no reason.
I went there, no?
Mm.
I went there.
Without no reason.
Repeat it, naman.
Ah, pumunta ako doon nang walang dahilan. I went there blank no reason.
I went there,
Ah.
boys,
Without
no reason.
Osa.
I went there without no reason.
I went there
Without no reason.
without no reason.
Duha.
I went there, boys, have reason.
Wrong. Tolo. 4. I went there for no reason. Oh, next tatay episode. Pumunta ako doon para makita siya.
I went there.
Oh,
Sige, I went there.
okay.
Pumunta ako doon para makita siya.
Pumunta ako doon para makita siya.
I went there to see him.
Correct!
Tayo na ka na.
5,000! To see him or her.
Oh.
Oh, last, Alimokoy. Last na ni. Lahat sila pumunta doon. Lahat sila pumunta doon. Okay, ang clue na may pumunta doon, naghapoy ending went there. Blank, blank, blank went there.
All come went there.
Osa.
All
Sakto ang intro. All blank, blank went there. Lahat sila pumunta doon.
all of there, all of this we come here. Or we went to
Wrong, duha.
all of
Wait,
okole.
Sa? Ha?
Okay tong all of.
Oh, sakto. All of blank went there.
All of this come went there.
Wrong. Tolo. Next.
All of
O sana lang po ikuwang. Lahat sila pumunta doon. All of blank went there. All of blank went there.
all of Lentap went there.
Wrong. Osa. All of blank went there.
all of mga pangutan na, ma'am.
All of lahat sila pumunta doon.
All of usan lang no?
All of blank went there.
All of people.
All of people went there.
Wrong. Duha.
All of man. All of men.
All of men went there.
Tolo. Ernesto. Lahat sila pumunta doon. All of blank went there.
All of
Mm.
all of all of all of
Oh.
I can't ito sulod ko ma
Went there.
went there
All of come went there. Wrong. Osa.
all of
All of
mang went there
duha. Last.
all of Darcer by
Went there.
went there
Wrong. Tolo. Tara bisot.
All of them went there.
Correct! 5,000!
Ma'am,
Ah.
closing kugma sila, bilin sila.
Ha?
Closing
Di,
kugma.
wa man nagyapon na bright, Ernesto.
Sila limot ko yun.
Damay.
Orti man pagka
Ay, mga kwarta.
Oh, wa gani, damay mo tanan.
May pa ako.